Okay, so this is '05 Toyota 4Runner. Engine don't start. It's not cranking. No communications with PCM, while I do get communications with ABS. So this is PCM. I pulled it out, and I want to point out to you, this is where it blown. Right there. This piece. Right there. Alright? So whether it's rebuildable or not, my builder will tell me, but this is as far as I go. Okay, bad computer, no unknown reason why it blown, and we're gonna fix it and somehow test it without blowing it again. That's the idea, at least. All right, thank you.